So you get 1 quintillion, 234 quadrillion, 567 trillion, 900 billion, 987 million, 654,321. So what does race car, radar, 12, 21, and 11 squared have in common? Just like a man, a plan, a canal, Panama, they're all palindromes, meaning that it's the same backwards as it is forwards. But the interesting thing is numbers can be palindromes too. So 11 squared is 121. 111 squared is 12,321. 1,111 squared? 1,234,321. 11,111 squared? 123,454,321. And this repeats all the way up through 9 consecutive ones. But if you try to use 10 number ones, the pattern breaks. I guess you could say we sort of run out of digits. So you get 1 quintillion, 234 quadrillion, 567 trillion, 900 billion, 987 million, 654,321. I just thought that was kind of neat.